what this phonetic symbol says with the letter EE, but it's so confusing.
Hello there, Lily. You have come to the right place. Let us break it down together, shall we?
That sounds great.
This symbol represents the sound like in the word tree or sea. It pronounced just like the E in bee, cheese, wheel, beef, and sheep.
Oh, I get it now. So whenever I see this symbol, I will say the E sound. Thanks a bunch, Mr. Darlington.
You're welcome. Lily, keep practicing and you'll master it in no time.
And so, with Mr. Darlington's guidance, Lily learned how to pronounce phonetic symbols with ease, making her journey into the world of phonetics a breeze.